Living Flame, number 47, your gift to me. We read again from John chapter 17. This is the great farewell discourse of Jesus. And he says, Father, they are your gift to me. I wish that where I am, they also may be with me, that they may see my glory that you gave me because you loved me before the foundation of the world. Righteous Father, the world also does not know you, but I know you, and they know that you sent me. I made known to them your name, and I will make it known that the love with which you love me may be in them, and I in them. Father, they are your gift to me. Ulit-ulitin po natin ito. This is another living flame that gives so much joy and hope in our lives, in our hearts. Father, they are your gift to me. Kung titinan po ninyo ang mga katagang ito galing kay Jesus, lalo pa ito yung mga huling mga salita ni Jesus sa huling hapunan bago siya pumunta ng hardin ng Gethsemane at doon ay hulihin at pasukin ang kanyang pagpapakasakit at pagkamatay para sa atin. Yes, we know traditionally of the 7 last words of Jesus on the cross. But he also had his last words at the Last Supper. And in this Last Supper, Jesus told us, and in his prayer, Father, they are your gift to me. Sila po ay regalo ninyo sa akin. Can you imagine that again, brothers and sisters? Jesus considers you as a gift of the Father to Him. Marami sa atin ang tingin sa sarili ay basura. Marami sa atin ang tingin sa sarili ay walang kwenta. Walang narating sa buhay. Walang may pagmamalaki. Na wala tayong masasabing mga bagay na natutuwa tayo tungkol sa ating mga sarili. But there is one, and Jesus is telling us in this gospel reading, you are a gift of God. Ikaw ay biyaya ng Diyos. Ikaw ay handog, regalo ng Diyos. Si Cardinal Joe Advincula po, every time he places a parish priest in charge of a community, ang lagi niya pong ibinibilin sa komunidad ay alagaan niyo ang inyong pari dahil siya ay handog sa inyo. Love your priest because they are God's gift to you. And when I hear that from Cardinal Advincula, most of the time, every time there is a parish priest who is installed in a community, it brings me a lot of hope and joy and happiness also. That I, as a priest, he considers us a gift to the community. But it is not just for priests. We are all gifts of God to one another. Jesus considers you as a gift of God to Himself. Kaya huwag ka masyadong pagdududa sa sarili. Huwag ka masyadong mag-iisip na wala namang kwenta ang aking buhay o wala naman akong silbi sa aking pamilya o kaya wala naman akong may pagmamalaki sa aking buhay. No. Jesus considers you as a gift. And because you are a gift, you are precious and you are treasured. Sa puso ni Jesus, ikaw ay mahalaga. Sa mahal na puso ni Jesus, ikaw ay napakahalaga at pinakamamahal. Ilang beses na po tayong nakaranas na parang ayoko na, gusto ko nang sumuko sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa aking buhay. But the Lord, time and again, He reminds you and me, you are a gift. You're a gift to your family. You're a gift to each other. Husbands and wives, always remember that. You're God's gift to each other. Regalo kayo ng Diyos sa isa't isa. Hindi kayo sumpa, hindi kayo pabigat, hindi kayo mga itinapon lamang dahil wala na kayong choice. No, you are a precious gift to each other. My dear parents, your children, kahit gaano katigas ang ulo nila, minsan po pagka mga dalaga binata na may isip na, parang nagsisisi tayo kung bakit sila ay naging anak ninyo. Refuse that. Resist that. Your children are God's gift to you. Hindi sila sumpa na binigay sa inyo. Biyaya at handog sila at regalo ng Panginoon. In our living flame, let us remember, Jesus treasures us as His most precious gift given to Him by the Father. You are a gift.